Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to prevent brain freeze and how to actually get rid of brain freeze after it has occurred within you. Now, brain freeze actually happens when you eat cold foods, but there's a little bit of a more detailed explanation that I have for it. There's something called the soft palate in your mouth. And your soft palate, when you eat cold foods, the cold foods actually touch the soft palate towards the back of your mouth, and it sends sends a signal to allow you to have brain freeze, to cause you to have brain freeze. And in order to prevent brain freeze and sort of stop it from happening once it has already started, you have to actually do something with that soft palate. You have to warm it up, which makes sense. If cold foods cause you to have brain freeze with your soft palate, if you warm up that soft palate, then you can actually prevent the brain freeze from occurring and stop it if it has already started. So it's actually a really simple process. This is how you actually warm up your soft palate. What you want to do is you want to take your tongue and you want to actually just press it up against the roof of your mouth. And you're looking to press it up against the roof. And what that's going to do when you go like this, press it up against the roof of your mouth, that's going to warm up the soft palate within your mouth. And as you warm up the soft palate, if you already have brain freeze, then it's going to help get rid of it faster. Now, we all know how painful a brain freeze can be, whether you are, drinking a slushie or eating an ice cream or just drinking a cold glass of water. When you get that brain freeze, it's like, it's so painful. So just get your tongue, press it up against the roof of your mouth, and try and warm up that soft palate if you already have brain freeze. Now, here's another thing that you can do to prevent it. If you are eating something cold or drinking something cold and you think that there's a decent chance that you're going to get brain freeze, okay, so you're eating something cold and you know there's a decent chance you're actually going to experience brain freeze shortly, get that tongue, press it up against the roof of the mouth just like that, and warm up your soft palate before the cold actually gets to the nerves and causes the brain freeze. And it's actually a really simple process. And the cool thing is you can do it sort of secretively without anyone knowing. So if you're eating an ice cream, you don't have to go, make a face like you're actually doing it. You can just have the ice cream or have the cold food or drink and just close your mouth and press your tongue up against the roof of your mouth, and practically no one will even know that you're doing it. So you can actually just be smooth about it. Let's say you're going on a first date with someone and you have an ice cream and you don't want to put on a face like you're preventing brain freeze. Just eat the ice cream, and if you feel the brain freeze coming along, just put the tongue up on the roof of your mouth and nobody will even notice. And that's basically it. In this video, I've told you how to prevent brain freeze, how to stop brain freeze when it's already happened. It's actually a really easy thing to do. And I've also gone through with explaining the details behind why brain freeze happens and the soft palate in your mouth. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your tips are for preventing brain freeze and stopping brain freeze in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.